Let's go, everyone! Today, super excited to be unboxing this Bitcoin Commemorative Coins 5-pack. So, from a company called Hold21, it looks like. I'll drop a link in the video description below on where you can order these from. Check it out. There's 5 of these. That's what it looks like. Hold21. Bitcoin Commemorative Coin, American-owned company. Check it out. Comes in a little plastic container thingy. Let's twist off. You'd think with all these unboxings I have on recording, I'd be better at this. Sometimes it's hard. It's not easy unboxing things. It's just yeah, no, to be honest, I don't know how you get this out. Yeah, looks nice. I will. Try another one for you guys, because I'm sure you do want to see how shiny and nice it looks outside of the case. So let's try one more. Dude, oh, this one, it's a little cracked. Oh, there's a little opening here. Okay, cool. Oh, come on. Ah, we got it. Boom. Wow. Wow. There you have it. Your Bitcoin commemorative coin. Cool. Yeah, let me know what you think of this in the comments section below. Let me know what you think of Bitcoin. All right. Take care, everyone. Catch you all for the next unboxing video. Later.